In this video, we practice right join. How to perform right join on two different data frames. Okay. So what is right join? In the right join, the right side data frame will have all the rows. Okay. To them, the common rows from the left side data frame are joined. In the right join, only it returns all the rows of the right hand side data frame. Okay. In inner join, it returns the common rows between the two different data frames. In the left join, it returns the left side rows. In the right join, it returns the right side rows. Okay. Remember that. Okay. In right join, the right side data frame will have all the rows here. Okay. We'll see step by step. Okay. How to implement right join. First, we have to read these Excel files. These two Excel files, player name and player age Excel file and player salary Excel file. We have to combine to these data frames using right join. Okay. How we perform, we'll do step by step here. First, we have to read those two Excel files and we have to convert into data frame. So here we have convert data frame using pandas. There is read underscore Excel function is there. So here player age and Excel X and player salary and stored in the data frame, two different data frames here. Okay, the Excel file stored in this df1 and second Excel file stored in this df2. Just execute it. See, this is a player name, age, player name and salary. Okay, to perform right join, the two different data frames should be having same column name. Okay, there should be same column name between these two data frames, otherwise you can't perform right join or left join or inner join. So there should be same column name. The player name is having same column name here, so we can perform right join here. Okay, so how to perform right join? Using merge function, we can perform right join using merge function. In pandas, there is a merge function is there. In merge function, we have to pass the data what data frames we are performing right join. We are performing df1 data frame 1 and data frame 2, and on which attribute on which column name we are performing right join. Player name on player name, because player name is same column name. Two data frames, only the player name has same column name, player name, and which join you are performing, left right join. Okay, right. In how attribute we have to write which join you are performing. We are performing right join, so we have to write right here. Okay, so a merge function takes the parameters which data frames you are joining and on which column name. This is a player name column name. Okay, same column has these two data frames has same column name, player name, and right join we are performing, in which we are writing a how attribute here. Okay, just execute it, and remember right join returns the right side rows only. Okay, all rows of right side. Right join returns all rows from the right side. Print X to print in the console. Just execute it. See, observe here. Okay, df1 is the left side one, left side row. Df2 is the right side row. Right side row contains player name and salary here. Okay, so here observe here. So what's the right join given here? Player name, age, salary. Okay, player name salary, but age just this is Bruna 35 9. Okay, it returns player name, age, salary, but player name salary from the right side it returns all the rows, but player left this age 36 35 doesn't return, just doesn't have age in the this here. Okay, salary, player name salary here. Okay, just check it here. Okay, so it returns all rows from the right side. Right join returns all rows from the right side here. Okay, these two rows, all rows, player name salary, it returns all rows. Okay, all rows value here. See, player name salary all rows, but age doesn't have no, so because it's performing right join, so it is a not any means not a number. Okay, so like this you can perform right join here. Right join here. In the next video we will see full outer join. Check in the description the video. Okay, for full outer join.